Vlog number 1. In Tokyo, I made a bit of a mistake. There was this hotel, like, for a variety of reasons. I'd gone to a few places before this. I looked at other prices, I went online. I saw this place listed at 50% off. Unfortunately, it was not 50% off $90, but 50% off $900. So, I spent not 4,500 yen, but it was 45,000 yen. On the bright side, I had options for where I wanted to sleep that night. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 beds. I mean, it does say... I took my complimentary sleep. Now here are some animals. I finished at my previous part-time job. I got a free croissant on the last day. Also, my chicken sandwich, I had one bite of it. I was just walking down the street and it got snatched by a bird. So don't walk while eating, unless it's a custard cream choux puff, because I ate that in the same location while walking and it did not get snatched by a bird. It's probably because it was a chicken sandwich. Birds like chicken, I think. Wait, birds are chicken. Chicken is... Anyway. Also, my new part-time job, they've added a bunch of new menu items. I don't know if I can disclose the theme of these menu items because I might get fired, but they are annoying to make. Like, usually with noodle dishes, you just throw in the noodles, you throw in the sauce, and you're done. Or with the drinks, you just throw in the drink and you're done. But these ones, bro, they're too many steps. You've got to heat up the sauces in different locations. There's multiple sauces, there's multiple drink elements to go into the different specialized cups and special lids specific to the different drinks. I'm just going to disclose the theme anyway. It's cinnamon roll. I have beef with cinnamon roll now because of noodles. I don't know, if this was entertaining, then let me know, because I might make more or I might not make more. But yeah, I just had a bunch of clips that were taking up a bunch of storage on my phone, but I didn't want to delete them, so I made a little log, and here you go, that was it. Thanks for watching.